Hi everyone, a huge welcome to Steve's Kitchen. If you enjoyed the 8 desserts I did last week as a request from Stephen Helberber, you're going to love this week's challenge. It's a challenge I've set myself really. It is 8 main dishes in one tray. We're going to start off with a beautiful margherita pizza, a nice cheesy lasagna, a wonderful shepherd's pie. I'm going to make a chicken and mushroom pie and a lovely herby fish pie, and this is the plan, by the way. Hopefully it's all going to work. I'm then going to do that classic mac and cheese. We're also going to do a plate of nachos with refried beans and lovely mozzarella cheese on top, and we're going to cap it all off with a beautiful quiche with lots of fried bacon in it. Is it going to work? I do hope so, otherwise this episode isn't going to air. Let's get on, have some fun and make 8 main courses in one dish. Now here's why I put the paper underneath, because hopefully we're going to be able to lift this out in one. So now I'm just going to cut down through the middle of each pie, through the mac and cheese and the margherita pizza, and then I can cut each of those into quarters. So 32 pieces of pie in total, and I'm going to just pick 2. Now which 2 would you pick if you had a choice? You want to see what I'm going to go for? I've got to have a piece of this chicken and mushroom pie, and because I'm a big bacon fan, I'm going to have a piece of this bacon and cheese quiche. Doesn't this chicken and mushroom look really good? But you know, now I've picked them, I'm looking down there and thinking maybe I would have liked some nachos or fish pie. Man, they all look good. I'm going to tuck in and give this a little try. Oh yeah. Now despite this being a bit of a novelty pie, that tastes really good, and this will make a really fantastic and fun piece at any party or family get together. I hope you'll give it a try and let me know what you think. And of course, if you do decide to make any variation of this, share some pictures with me on social media. I'd love to see what you come up with. Be good, and we'll see you for a fun episode in Steve's Kitchen very shortly. Take care.